Hey everyone, friends, it's Calavela here. Today I'll show you how to make a free Minecraft server. First, we'll head to Google's search bar, okay? And type in what we need. Right? In our case, that'll be Aternos. Go to the site, pick the first option, click Login, then Create Server, and finally Create. The server's ready. Now go to Servers, choose the one we just made. Next, go to Settings. My ad blocker is complaining. I'll turn it off now. Here we enable Crackit, like mine, and pick the version we want. Go to Software, select the core. I've got 121.5. Click Install, start the server, copy the address, and wait. Open Minecraft, click Multiplayer, then Add Server. Paste the address and join the server. That's it. This was Veiler. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.